Are you ready to take your business English to the next level? Let's get into it. 24/7. This is the shorthand way of saying 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And we native speakers mean when we use it to work all the time. How to use it professionally? This idiom is often used in business English to describe services that are available to the consumer at all times, or to emphasize the constant nature of certain tasks or operations, which is another way of saying that those operations are running all the time. For example, our customer support is available 24/7. He seems to work 24/7 to meet his tight deadlines. Now let's see this phrase in context.
I'm gonna put a tail on him 24/7.
Because if you did what you just said you did, then the feds are gonna be watching her 24/7.
I watch you 24/7.
Short fuse. This means a quick temper. And in business English, we use this idiom to describe someone in the workplace who is easily angered or reacts quickly in a negative way to stressful situations. For example, be careful discussing deadlines with the boss. He has a short fuse. His short fuse led to several conflicts in the office. Now let's see this phrase in context.
Ayana, this man is on a short fuse.
He got a short fuse.
You said he had a short fuse.
A taste of your own medicine. This idiom means that someone receives bad treatment deservedly, or that is to say, they deserved to receive this bad treatment because they treat other people the same way. Using this in business English is the perfect way in business English to describe a situation where someone receives the negative effects of their own bad behavior. For example, after ignoring his team's feedback, he got a taste of his own medicine when no one supported his proposal. She often interrupts others, so it was fitting when she got a taste of her own medicine during the meeting. Now let's see this word in context.
The hardest to swallow is a taste of your own medicine.
Yeah, it's a bit of a taste of your own medicine, huh?
I'm giving you a taste of your own medicine.
The next one is butterflies in your stomach. This means to feel nervous, and in a professional setting is the perfect idiom to use to describe the nervousness you or someone else might be feeling before an important presentation, meeting, or negotiations. For example, I had butterflies in my stomach for the important speech. The new intern had butterflies in her stomach before her first client meeting. Now let's see this word in context.
I think that you probably just forgot what it's like to have butterflies in your stomach and you're mistaking that for love.
Ooh, I can't believe I have butterflies in my stomach.
I've got butterflies in my stomach.
The next one is by the skin of your teeth. This means to just barely get by or to barely make it. In a professional setting, we often use this idiom to describe narrowly meeting a deadline or just barely avoiding failure in a business context. For example, we completed the project by the skin of our teeth just before the deadline. He passed the certificate exam by the skin of his teeth.
Same way as everyone else will, by the skin of your teeth.
Barely made it out of there by the skin of my teeth.
By the skin of your teeth, but you passed.
Now, if you want even more English tips, tricks, and advice for improving it faster, then make sure you click the link in the description and first pin comment to get my free guide that will help you improve your English faster and more effectively. These are the same tips that I give my students, and now I'm giving them to you for free. So again, make sure you click the link in the description and first pin comment to get my guide. Now with that, let's get back to the video. Not see the wood from the trees. This phrase means be so involved with the details of something that you don't get and miss out on the most important facts. In business English, this idiom can be used to describe a situation where someone is so focused on the details that they miss out on the bigger picture. For example, in our last meeting, we were so focused on the minor details of the project that we couldn't see the wood for the trees. He got so caught up in the data, they missed the wood for the trees. Now let's see this phrase in context.
You can't see the wood for the trees.
I do not think that you can see the wood for the trees.
Under pressure, you don't always see the wood for the trees.
The next one is up a creek without a paddle. This is used to describe a bad or unlucky situation that someone or a group of people find themselves in. This idiom is best used in business English to describe being in a difficult or challenging situation with no apparent solution. For example, without additional funding, the project is up a creek without a paddle. We're up a creek without a paddle if the supplier can't deliver it on time. Now let's see this word in context.
You know, Munson, to be up a creek without a paddle, Dad.
You rock. This means that you or someone else is great, amazing, or done really well. When used in professional English, you can use it to describe someone for their excellent work or effort. It is an especially good way to praise a colleague who is more like a friend to you. For example, you rock. Thanks for handling the client presentation so well. Just wanted to say you rock for bringing in the big contract.
Dude, you rock, my man.
You my man. You rock.
Because you rock my world. Mr. Dude, you rock!
And if you want even more English tips, tricks, and advice for improving your English faster, then make sure you click the link in the description and first pin comment to get my free guide. Again, make sure you click the link in the description and first pin comment to get that guide. If you're ready to learn some advanced new words to replace that boring old interesting, then check out this video here where I'll give you advanced B2 plus words you can use instead of interesting. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video and want more videos just like this, then make sure you subscribe. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and hit that notification bells for more lessons just like this. And so I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!